Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So we're going to be doing a new tea. Okay, we're using fenugreek, cloves, rosemary, and I decided to add rice into this. Okay, so you guys know rice has an amazing benefit for hair growth. Okay, it helps to boost your hair. So this four ingredient I'm using is good for hair growth. Okay, it stops hair loss, it thickens your hair, it's remove itchiness in the scalp. So I'm using this 2.5 mm, which is 1.5 cup spoon, 1.5 spoon. So I'm going to be using that to measure my rice. Okay, so I don't want a lot of rice inside this my recipe. Okay, so this is my clove is so good for hair growth. It has helped me in terms of my hair growth journeys. Ever since I started using cloves, I've seen amazing results. So as I said earlier on in my previous video, I'll be using my cloves, rosemary, and fenugreek seeds because I have used these three ingredients separately and it really helped me to improve my hair growth. So I decided to combine it in this our new 2 months hair growth challenge. So this is rosemary. Rosemary is an amazing essential hair growth recipe. Okay, you can use only rosemary to rosemary oil or rosemary water. It's going to help you to improve your hair growth so well. Okay, it helps in itchiness of the scalp and dandruffs and lice. So this is my fenugreek seed. Okay guys, so you guys know I've done some fenugreek seed in my previous 2 months challenge and it really boost my hair growth, okay, in triple. So this is the ingredients we have. I am going to be pouring in my hot water and I'm going to allow this to infuse for 24 hours because I want the rice to ferment. Okay. This is the next day and our rice water with cloves, rosemary, and fenugreek seed is ready. So this is the color we have. Okay, so I am going to strain it and I'll show you guys how I'm going to be applying this on my hair. Okay, besties. So if you're watching this extent, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share, and leave your beautiful comment. So love, so for application I'm going to be applying this on my hair. So ever since I made my hair, I packed it in two and tuck my ends outside because I don't want to be touching my hair much. As I said earlier on, this is a no touching hair challenge. Okay, so I won't be touching my front edges, that's what I mean. That is why I have not been dropping a lot of recipe because mostly when I do teas, I always apply the teas on my edges and massage it. But since I'm doing like a no touching edges challenge, is making me not motivated enough to make a lot of teas. So here is my hair after I made it. I have not done any wash day routine and any of that. So I have left my hair alone for like 2 weeks without touching my hair. I just braided it that day and then packed it and left it aside. Okay, so this is me spraying the tea on my hair. I am going to try so hard, like literally try so hard not to touch the front of my edges. As you guys can see the way I am doing it. Normally I'll just spray this on my hair and spray it on my front edges and just massage everything. But since I decided to not to touch my front edges, let's see if maybe, you know, when you're touching your front edges, maybe I am losing 1, 2, 3 hairs. And since I always pour my teas every day and always touching my edges every day, maybe it's why the edges is not going, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So I'm just going to try so hard not to touch the front of my edges, spray this tea on my normal hair lines, not the front of my edges, spray it on the roots of my hair to the tips of my hair, and Spray it on my edges, yes, but don't massage it. I'll just spray it and leave it there to dry. I wonder how this is gonna happen, but we'll see how it goes. So besties, if you watched this essence, thank you so much for watching. Try this recipe and your hair is gonna love it. I will show you guys my hair after 5 days of using this. Okay, so please watch the video to the end to see my final results, like my hair after 5 days of using this on my hair. This does not smell. Okay, so I'm using my hair growth oil. I was like smelling it to see if it smells, but it does not smell. It still have this rosemary smell in it. The rice water, fermented rice water, was not really smelling. So I'm using this hair growth oil I did in my previous video where I added MSM inside. So I'm going to use this to rub my hair and also my edges as well. I'm just going to leave that to sit there. It's gonna sit there like that. I am not going to rub that because if I rub it, I might lose one or two hair, which I am trying so hard not to touch the front of my edges. As you guys can see, the way I am struggling not to touch the front of my edges. Okay, so I'm going to rub this all over my hair, and I'm going to be using my butter. You guys know my routine: butter, shea butter, and my mixture of using chamber 2000 with dual growth, hair growth, and virgin hair fertilizer. So that is the mixture I'm applying on my scalp. Then I'll use my shea butter and to apply it on the root, like the tips, sorry, the tips of my hair. So because that is the oldest part of our hair, that place also needs TLC as well. So anytime you're treating your hair, always remember the ending of your hair, guys. They need TLC as well. I also use my leave-in condition as well. So loves, this is my hair that is not moisturized. It's a bit dried and shrinkage, and here is the one that I have moisturized already. So I am going to moisturize this off camera and show you guys what my hair looks like. And at the ending of the video, you see my hair after 5 days of applying this on my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share the video. This tea is really powerful. It's going to help you to improve your hair growth. Okay, I am not capping. Okay, this is a real deal. Try it out and let me know about your experience in the comment section, and I will see you, all my besties, in my next video.